Thank you for choosing to tour a home from the Susman collection. If you have any questions about this or any other homes, please call 9544780974. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Welcome home to this hidden gem of a home on a quiet neighborhood street. New roof and impact windows in 2022. Huge private, fenced-in backyard with nearly 14,000 square feet to roam. Private pool, tons of extra storage, plus a quaint gardening shed at the back. Lots of natural light. An extended Florida room off your covered patio make this the ideal home for all. Recently refurbished terrazzo and tiled floors, kitchen and baths. Separate inside laundry room. Freshly painted throughout. Lots of space to roam. Circular driveway and carport make room for plenty of cars. Excellent location. Convenient to so many things: shopping, schools, houses of worship, beautiful parks and waterways, and much more. Make this one your next place to call home. There's nothing else like it in the area.